Very...
Hey guys.
You just recently got this back running again, right?
Yeah, just this week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What happened?
It had a leaking power steering hose.
Okay.
So I did replace it last year. Turns out they only replaced the one at the under the car. So the one that goes to the reservoir and then pump started failing. So I just replaced the pump and the reservoir, everything. So now the steering's just really good. Yeah.
Yeah, dude, it's basically an NSX.
In some ways. It's even got like a little side vent and stuff. It's funny to think, but you know, in some ways it kind of fucking is.
I mean, there's only a couple cars that are like have that same layout.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
This MR2, NSX.
Yeah, it's
you know,
not
like
common.
it's not a common place for the motor.
And this car has a much longer wheelbase than the MR2, so you could tell, like, you would have a lot less problem with the snap oversteer with how long that fucking distance is.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not going to be as twitchy. Longer than S2000 too.
Is that your CRV?
Yeah.
That's the CRV generation I like.
That's my favorite.
Like I grew up seeing that one, so like.
With the tire on the back?
Yeah.
K24. So like how the Civic Si has a K20, this is bored out another 0.4 liters to have more bottom end with the lack of not having quite as much top end.
Yeah.
But then people get crazy and Frankenstein to do like you know, these little fucking mini-me Type R builds and have like a K24 bottom end with a fucking Type R Civic head on it and get them really
They
ripping.
get crazy.
And they have so many, like, this is iconic. You'll see this in every fucking Honda. But then it's the stuff attached to it that makes it different. Like, this has got, like, the plastic intake runners. But then you could go ahead and find yourself, like, a 2008 Civic Si RBC, you know, like, fat intake manifold for it. Or, you know, mix and match all the parts. Straight up Legos, like I always
Is,
say.
yeah. It's like, that's the gem, though. That's what everybody wants.
It's the gem.
This engine?
Yeah.
If you, I'm sure you've heard that everyone's case swapping.
Yeah,
right?
Josh just been telling me to K-swap this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be infinitely better. Like, it'll just be
Like,
better.
realistically, no joke, dude, if he was to turbocharge this engine without even building the internals, dude, I mean, he could probably make, 320, 360, something like that.
All-wheel drive?
Safely, dude, safely.
All-wheel drive?
Is this all-wheel drive?
Yeah, all-wheel drive. Yeah.
Which is unlike most Hondas. In fact, this is the closest thing we have to a WRX, as funny as that sounds.
That's true.
And we don't have anything that's all-wheel drive like this, other than the Wago vans of the early 80s.
Yeah,
but those things are, the door opens like this instead of upwards.
Oh, just like, what was it?
Like
Forerunner?
Yeah, 400.
Yeah,
And the GXs?
Yeah, and then look underneath.
Yeah, dude. And then this is always just
Watch this shit.
so cool.
Fucking table, bro.
Yeah, so
It's a table?
Yeah.
Camping.
Oh, cool.
It's a straight up regular ass
You
table.
open it up and then fold it out.
And this
put
is
it-
from the factory?
Yeah.
factory, yeah.
No
And
This
way.
is the last generation they did that.
It has Honda insignias
Yeah.
on it too.
So
It's
they
like-
actually did build this for some kind of camping
That's what their whole design
off-road.
was for.
Oh.
It was just to take it out camping and be used in the city. And then they realized people aren't actually taking them out camping. They're just going to the mall and freaking stuff.
Yeah, no.
So they stopped putting the table.
Oh,
This
that's
is the last
pretty
year.
cool.
Yeah.
So you can remove the table and then
Yeah.
it sits
You
here?
put it right here. Yeah, you just put it wherever.
Oh,
you want.
wow,
Yeah,
nice,
it's got,
nice.
like, metal legs. It's like a little beer pong
It's
table,
sick, dude.
dude.
That's
Yeah,
cool,
I
that's
like
cool.
it, dude. I use
That exhaust tip, is that...
So that's funny that you asked because did you notice
I
that?
did not notice that.
So that
It
exhaust
doesn't
tip,
look stock.
It's not stock, yeah. Do you know where that's from?
No, dude.
No.
So it's an aftermarket exhaust tip that was designed for I used to have a Mark 7 GTI.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so I had an extra one, and I took my tips out, and then I put it on here.
Oh, nice, nice.
Yeah, I see.
Looks cool, looks cool. Looks cool.
So it's just a sleeve that slides on and slides off.
Nice.
It hasn't fallen out yet, so I just left it there.
Nice.
But yeah, not a lot of people notice.
This is in the middle, dude. See? That's the middle.
Oh, shit.
It's over to the side because the tire's in the way. So they scooted it over a little
Oh,
I
I
like
see,
this
I
one.
see.
Right there.
bit. Oh,
it opens up
dude,
too.
I forgot about that.
That's cool, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Okay, I've seen some cars where the windows open up and then this part
Oh, that's
goes
okay.
down, yeah.
EG hatch.
Yeah, EG Hatch does that.
EG hatch is there. But this is cool because like I can have my dogs here.
Mm.
My dogs will stick right there. But it puts it all together, you know.
The suspension, is it stock? Cause
Stock.
it's stock.
Yeah.
But it looks higher than
good.
the
Yeah,
regular
I
one.
think so. That's an illusion from the spacers I put.
Ah,
Real spacers to
I
Whitey
see,
girth,
I
and it
see, I
just
see.
naturally makes it look higher.
How many?
25 millimeters.
Oh,
So
25.
about an inch.
Yeah, I'm thinking of putting spacers on mine too.
On yours?
So this is original?
The housing is. So the glass.
Okay.
This is but the projector is a retrofit by somebody.
Oh, okay. I thought the
Yeah.
projector was original. I was like, damn, that can't be
not for this
original.
Not for this year.
But it looks cool though.
Yeah, dude, it's sick, man. It's cool because it's not an eBay headlight or a racer headlight,
that's what I'm
you know?
saying. Yeah, it's
The
original.
original, so you won't really notice it unless you're really looking.
It's like a kind of resto mob.
It's totally a
right.
resto mod.
Yeah, I need to refresh my headlights too. It's fading out.
Oh,
It's-
Yeah, he polished mine.
I need to polish mine.
Mine was really bad, dude.
They were.
Like yellow.
Dude,
like
yeah.
Mine needs some work. Wait, where did I get this?
Oh, bro. Yeah, I can see
that's what I
that.
saw.
I don't, I don't know. I don't know where I got this. Huh?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, no, dude. Oh, something hit you on the road. That'll all come off, bro. All
Okay.
of that
You
comes
can buff
off.
all that off.
All
Yeah,
of
that should be
will come
okay,
off.
right? Yeah.
Absolutely. Hey, but if you want, bro, if you want, dude, come by,
Uh huh.
clean up your headlights, we'll rub that off really fast. and
Oh, for
reconnect
sure,
this,
yeah.
dude.
Yeah, reconnect that shit.
This is easy, dude.
Oh, for
You
sure.
don't look all clapped out driving
Oh,
around,
it's
dude.
so easy, bro. See that hole? That pin just goes into it.
Oh.
So all we gotta do is jack up this side, take off those couple bolts, put it back in there, and put the bolts back in.
Last JDM. For real.
Oh, you put the tape on it?
That was just to
Mock up?
mock up the
Oh,
sub
okay.
spoiler.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I like this
My wing?
spoiler, yeah.
Thanks, I
Wing.
just got it. I'm borrowing it from a good friend.
Real carbon fiber, right? Damn.
Very hard to come by spoiler these days, actually. The back
Is it from Japan?
What the hell? This whole time, I thought these cars always had an open center grille.
Oh.
It's not open.
Dude, simple as that.
It is usually, oh shit. It's like red and orange,
Yeah,
right?
so the first iteration for second generation has an orange.
열심히 모아놨어. 박스 2개 모아놨고 M3 하나 있고 열셋 2개.
M3 E90?
E92. 존나 클리나.
그러게.
쿨 칩도 있어.
어. 이거 목 뒤에도 나오는 거 아니야?
나올 것 같은데 그거는? 요건 안 할 거죠.
어. 한 번 더 긁지 뭐.